schedule tonight.
Ooh-ah-oh.
I might,
Ooh-ah-oh.
I'll try,
But now I just need to wipe the sleep out of my eyes. Ooh-ah-oh.
I know
Ooh-ah-oh.
I won't
Make it out of my bed if I keep biding my time. I just need some coffee in the morning, no sugar or tea, 'cause I can feel my eyelids falling, they're trying to sleep. But if I take a sip of caffeine, then surely I'll be awake until the evening, until we go back to sleep.